I'm studying in 3rd B. I'm here to tell about Button Day. Seems quite interesting, am I right? So let's get into it! The National Button Society, founded in 1938, established Button Day as a celebration for all who enjoyed collecting and crafting with buttons. Ever since then, Button Day is celebrated every year on November 16th. The common part of a modern day garment, buttons. They are found on our shirts, our jackets, our pants and pockets. Butterfly jeans are popular alternative to zipper pants. Buttons get everywhere. Buttons come in every imaginable shape or size. You may be thinking buttons don't deserve their own holiday. Try to imagine the life would it be without them. Did you know but collecting buttons is a big deal? Yes, it is a big deal.